Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of building your own Clickbank affiliate website step by step. So get ready to unlock the potential of Clickbank and start earning passive income online. Before we start, be sure to like and share this video and also subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Okay, let's dive in and make your affiliate marketing dreams a reality. Okay, so for this tutorial, we are going to use WordPress as our website builder and WooCommerce to build our store. So the first thing we have to do is to install a theme. To install the theme, we go to Appearance, Themes, and Add New. In this tutorial, we will use a free theme, so we will choose this time Astra. Hover over Astra and click Install. Activate it. And as you see, a new theme is activated. The second thing we have to do is go to Plugins, Add New, and select Starter Template. Install this plugin by Brainstorm Force Starter Templates. After the installation of plugin is completed, you have to activate it, so just click Activate. As a page builder, choose Elementor. In this section, you choose e-commerce and select one of templates offered by Starter Templates. For this tutorial, I will choose this one, Plan Shop. So click on it. This is the template we are gonna use for this tutorial. So skip and continue, and submit and build my website. As you see, the website is building. This template will automatically install the WooCommerce plugin to build your store. Now the website is successfully built. So to visit your website, click this View Your Website button. This is our website, our shopping store. Now is the time to customize our store and add our affiliate products. So exit the dashboard, go here WooCommerce, and set up your WooCommerce store. So just skip set up your store details, and your WooCommerce store is already set up. Now go to products, and you can see all the products on your store. But we don't want these products. We will implement affiliate products from Clickbank. So we select all and select Move to Trash. Now there isn't any product in our store. So we go and add new product. Now go to Clickbank and log in to your Clickbank account. I will log in with my account. After you log in to your Clickbank account, go to Marketplace. Select any offer you want to promote and choose one product from these offers. For the sake of tutorial, I will choose this one, Alpillion. Now, to add Alpillion as your affiliate product in your website, just copy its name and set as the product name. Now for the product description, you can add a description for this product. I will add just one sample text just for the tutorial. Here is the main thing. As a product data, change simple product to external affiliate product. And here you will paste your affiliate link from Clickbank, and this button text will be a text that will appear in the button in your website. So go to Clickbank, click Promote, and type your nickname account to generate your hop link. So create hop link, and this is your Clickbank hop link. So copy it, go to the website and paste here. As a product short description, you can add your current product description and click Publish. As you can see, the product is published. To view the product, click View Product. This is our product in our store, LP Leon, with the product description. When we click this button, Buy Product, right here, this button will redirect us to a Clickbank affiliate product page. As you can see, it redirected me to the LP Leon product page. But you can see that the hop link is my nickname, so it's completely fine and it's working. Now, to customize the product, go to the product page and click Edit Product. Here you can edit all the data of your product. To set the product image, go click here Set Product Image and upload your product image. If you have already uploaded it to Media Library, go to Media Library here, select your image and click Set Product Image. Click Update. Now click View Product. And here we go. Our product image is set. Go back to Dashboard and let's add a price to our product. I will add this price here just to see how it works. Click Update and visit your product. Now our price is set. And that's a wrap of our Clickbank affiliate website tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and you are now equipped with the knowledge and tools to create your own profitable online business. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you next time.